Kambi sukari mar West Valley mayudre County ma Kericho koro ochako tao chenro mage ayanga. Kaka andunde goleron watend kambi no oyango ni gintiere kod nyalo mar rego niang' tan 1,250 pile ka pile.
Gikone to koro kambi sukari mar West Valley Sugar e County ma Kericho chako chenro mage. Chenro mar yawo kambi ni okawo omenda maromo bilion 3.2. Tend kambino ni kod nyalo mar rego niang' maromo tan 1,250 manyalo chiwo e kind ogunde 2,000 nyaka 2,500 odiochieng' ka odiochieng'.
We get our sugar cane from the Kericho region, Kericho, Nandi, and Nyando, actually the Nyando zone. So we bring in the cane from those areas. Kericho is rich in terms of cane. It produces a lot of cane, which is sustainable, and it can be able to sustain West Valley Sugar Factory to run throughout the year. Currently, we have about 7,500 cane farmers. They range from 1 acre to even 1,000 acres. But the bigger range of the farmers we are looking at are the small-scale farmers, 1 acre to 5 acres.
Jotend West Valley Sugar yango ni kambino yawo mar siro jopur niang' ma osebedo ka ywak ewi lal ma giyudo. Gisiro paro mar keto kiewo ne kuonde ma kembe sukari ome niang', chenro ma otisi ni cane zoning.
If there is no zone, anybody can come, take your cane which you have developed and take to e-zone. But with zoning, it's a very important thing because it makes sure that at least a particular factory in a particular area can be able to grow its cane and take that cane for milling on its factory. So you'll not be able to lose money which he has put in cane development.
Giango ni gitiyo gi jolony rang'eny ma opogore tayo chenro mag kambino magiluwo ni dhi medo chiro sekta mar pur niang' e kor gwenge ma pacho ka.
Na tumelete watu wenye wako na expert. Tuko kwa board, tunaleta watu expert wanatusaidia kama sekta ya finance, kama sekta ya farming, tuko na watu tofauti.
NCBA has spent over 2 billion shillings to support the construction of this factory.
Chakruok mar West Valley Sugar koro medo kwan kembe marego niang' e aluora mar Hoho mar Okak kod Nyanza. Andrew Ondego, Ramogi TV.
Kwa Kericho nyaka Nandi nyakora mgajwang kama kati ya gruo